I have just stick blended this to death, and it's still way more fluid than I want. But I'm hoping it will set up once I get this poured in the mold. Today I am making my 4th of July Patriotic Happy 250th Birthday America soap. So obviously I am pouring some grass here. And then I have this Patriotic Gnome who will be hanging out for the 4th of July celebrations. And he's gonna have his flag, and when I cut the soap, I'm gonna stamp fireworks. So that's the plan. This is starting to set up, so that's good. So I'm just gonna let this set up for a bit more, and then I'll come back, prep the sky, and then add the embeds. I want the embeds to sit on top of the grass and not sink down completely. So I'm just going to give this a little bit more time before I place the embeds. This blue got a little lighter than I was anticipating. I don't think it's the end of the world. I think it should be okay. I don't think... Oh, this fragrance. What fragrance did I use? So it says it's supposed to go tan, but like super light. So I think I should be okay. Oh, look at that. I was gonna stamp fireworks on here, but I kind of feel like there's no room to stamp fireworks on here. So maybe, I tiny little air gap there. I did plan, it was my, to do the stamp, but I'm thinking that that's not going to work. However, I have another embed that I'm using. This watermelon gnome that is much tinier, and I don't have anything else to go in it. Like I just have this, so maybe I'll use the fireworks on that one. I think that's the plan. I think that's what I'll do. And this one will just, I think it's fine. It doesn't need the stamps. Look at my Independence Day soap. I love it. The gnome just cracks me up. It's so cute. I love the flag. If you can kind of tell, I messed up the flag. That added red piece should not be there. But I started with white instead of red. And you cannot have a flag that starts with white. Like it just, I couldn't handle it. Like it would drive me nuts. So I added another red piece on top, but this blue square wasn't quite as big. I don't think anyone's gonna really notice it except for me. And I pointed it out to you guys, but it's fine. Just a couple bars that have some air gap under his hat. I thought I was pretty good about getting it filled, but that's okay. I like it. I love the little flag, and then I said the gnome just cracks me up. Let me know, what do you think? I think it's a fun festive summer soap.